Today I'm going to be reviewing KVD True Portrait Foundation. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are subscribed to me, welcome back. Here's what the packaging looks like. I bought this because it was on sale on Ulta.com. Also have this at Sephora. I got this for $18. It was originally $37. It says on the package, skin perfecting medium coverage, liquid to powder finish. It's weightlessly smooth and you can wear this all day. Got this in the shade medium 30. That is what the container looks like, which is so cute. I love the fact that KVD has her own designs. I really love the fact that it has the engraving part right here. It like feels engraved. I love this. It's so cute. You can push this right here in the middle. If you haven't noticed, I did my eyebrows and my eyeshadow already. And I used some concealer to get my blemishes and any redness out. Okay, before I use this, I have to go wash my hands. I guess this foundation is better off using your fingers to blend with rather than using any utensils on it. So I'm going to go wash my hands before I do that. Picking this up a little. You can hear that ball in there. This is going on very smooth, and it's supposed to have a matte finish. It definitely feels like it's going to turn into powder. I can definitely feel that. It feels very lightweight as well, which I do like. And it said little goes a long way, so I can see that as well. I'm really loving this. I would be very careful with this because it is very watery, and if you don't shake it enough, then it will go everywhere. And remember, little goes a long way. I guess this foundation is supposed to oxidize as well, which if you don't know what that means, it means that it does change colors. This is a little bit darker of a color for my skin tone, but I feel like it's oxidizing very well into it and blending well. It looks lighter over here, and then when I blend it in, it turns dark, which is awesome. I really do love this foundation. Even if we have to apply it with our fingers, it's annoying, but we can always buff it in after. To finish my makeup, and then I will finish the review. Alright guys, so this is the final look. still a beginner on makeup, so bear with me. My final thoughts on the True Portrait Shake Foundation. I will give this probably a 10 because it's lightweight, cruelty-free, vegan-free, and it oxidizes into your skin. It comes in 40 shades, so I feel like there's a color match for everyone. It's $18. I honestly think this is a great sale. It's probably the best sale that I got in a while. It's on Sephora, it's on Ulta. It seriously feels like I'm wearing nothing, guys. I love how soft it feels on the skin. I love how it dries up pretty quick and easy. I love how little goes a long way, so you can save a lot of the product. It's probably going to be the best $18 you'll ever spend in your life. Well, you guys, I think that's it. I pretty much wrapped everything up for that foundation. I tried it on, explained to you what it feels like, looks like, and it's cruelty-free, how to apply the foundation. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. If not, that's okay too. I hope you like the look I created. Bye, guys.